Juju. Juju.
Slimene, did you bring me some key?
You told me I could come back for a week to help you get well.
Don't I look well? I know. I look like a cadaver.
You look beautiful. Isabel, we are in trouble. They're saying you should be deported. They're saying our marriage is not legal.
Pretentious Philistines! They strut about in their tiny trousers and silly hats!
Isabel, they are very serious this time.
No, we will take them to court.
No. We don't have money for a lawyer. Can't you see your interests are getting us into trouble?
Oh, Juju. I love you, Juju. And you love me.
You must be serious now.
Till we die, Slimene. I love you till we are under the sand.
Till we die, Juju.
Till we die.
When she's asleep like a child, I see her, a baby, soft, quiet skin. A baby dressed in drag, a baby no bravado. But when she wakes up, her eyes are on fire, dark eyes full of pain, black fingernails always stained. No more child, now she's old. 1,000 years, the toll that her life has taken on her, the toll that her life has taken on me. 1,000 years, 1,000 years, the most beautiful. I love her.